Ethereum is absolutely pumping today with the price above $3,150. The big breakout came after Ethereum finally broke out of this consolidation. It's the same chart as this one, the second consolidation as a bull flag that we were looking at. We've had the big breakout, and the question of course is, how much higher can we go in this spell, in this run? And should you be looking to potentially take some profits off the table, or of course look for a re-entry point? Let's talk about the price action. Of course, I'll be updating you on my Ethereum trade, which is now almost 500% in profit, but more about that later and where to take profits. This is a very exciting time for Ethereum. Let's get strapped in. Let's cover this price action together. Quick smash of the like, guys. Excellent price action, and I believe there's more to come. So, as I mentioned, Ethereum has broken out of this beautiful bull flag, or megaphone pattern, some people refer to it as. And in terms of a breakout, you simply want to look at the price range from this bull flag, which is about 100% price action move in action. So it's telling us that a price target could be up at about $4,200 in this move. But what I wanted to show you is some resistance in the chart. It's all very well getting excited about this pump, and you should be, but just know where you should take some profits off the table. No one ever got broke by taking profits, guys. Now we have some monthly resistance to contend with, and it's quite a strong monthly resistance level at $3,700. You also can look at the weekly levels, and it will also show you where we could potentially come down to in a worst case scenario. Now, not that I believe this is likely, but the next weekly support beneath us is at $2,200. However, we are comfortably above some key levels of support, which are the 200-day. So you've got $2,500 beneath you there. This is just for anyone that's really in a long trade that's wondering where to set a stop loss. I don't believe we're going to come down to these levels for now anyway. And then you've got quite strong support at about $2,500. So if you are thinking of setting a stop loss, if you're in a long trade like me, yeah, $2,600 level is kind of where you want to be at. So when you're looking at this chart in terms of the next resistance levels on the weekly, well, the next major level is $3,240, and then you've got the $3,650 level. For me, the $3,650 level is key because it's also lining up with where the monthly level of resistance is in the chart as well. Well, at $3,700. Now, some very interesting charts to show you, which will help you decide if you should open a long, if you should extend your long, and of course stop losses and re-entry points as well. We have this road to $4,000, which Ethereum is part of now in this bigger breakout. And in fact, we're only 10% away from breaking this 4-year bull flag. When that breaks out, that's our $20,000 target. But we can't start talking about that trade until we've broken that pattern. But at least taking us up to that $3,500 is the next level. We saw Bitcoin do something very similar, as you can see on the left here, in the previous bull market, and Ethereum is following that exact run up, and it actually gives you a price target of $30,000 Ethereum. Now, I don't believe we're going to go that high if I'm honest, but $20,000 I think is quite a comfortable prediction. Now, as far as this trade, just to give you an idea of what I'm doing, I'm trading Ethereum with coin margin. So when the price goes up in Ethereum, my profits are in Ethereum as well. You can open a trade there on Blowfin. You can do that up to $5,000 in bonus. No KYC, so you can sign up easily from anywhere in the world. Phemex is also a great exchange, and of course Bybit EU if you're in Europe. Bybit's a great platform as well. Trading bonuses there. The next very important chart I wanted to show you, oh, by the way, altcoins as well. We're going to cover that at the end of the video. I have some altcoin positions, but more about that in a moment. Look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is showing us what the sentiment is right now for Ethereum. Bitcoin is breaking to the downside, and it will likely continuously do that for the remainder of the year, maybe beyond. ETH season in full effect. I mean, this is just today, and it's kind of been a pattern emerging, and I'm going to show you what I mean, because Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin for a long time now. You can see for this quarter, Ethereum is up 26.5%. Bitcoin is up 10%. And look, this is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. We're starting to see Ethereum rally against Bitcoin. In fact, on the lower time frame here, this is Ethereum against Bitcoin. We've just crossed a monthly level in the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So we've already seen a 50% move in Ethereum against Bitcoin in the last couple of months. That probably is just the foothills of what is about to come. I've been talking about this, by the way, in the Trade Signals group as well. If you're not in the free Trade Signals group, guys, I'm posting all the signals here, not just Ethereum, all the altcoins. And to be quite honest, I don't mean to boast or anything, but we have been absolutely printing money in the last few days. People are making a lot of money, so come and join us in the Trade Signals group. Great community. We post scalp trades, swing trades, and we're all chatting as a community, making plenty of money. So link in the description down below to join us. Just scroll down, my real-time trades and insights down below. Come and join us. You will not regret it. As I said, it's free. Now, lastly, the Ethereum ETF net inflows are looking great still. Huge inflows coming into Ethereum. And my favorite Ethereum meme coin, SPX 6900, it's the one I covered in this video 5 days ago. I suggest to go and watch that video. Has been exploding. It's my biggest Ethereum meme coin position. It's actually my biggest meme coin position. So altcoin season is about to start. Meme coin season is about to start. Things are getting very, very bullish. You know, I've been talking about Ethereum being bullish for a long time. It's finally coming. 5K soon. ETH all-time high soon. Let me know in the comments if you're bullish. You know, I'm not looking to take any profits off the table on this trade right now. If you're thinking of opening a long, do join the real-time Trade Signals Insight so you can follow along. Lots of alpha and, of course, all your training bonuses down below. See you on the next video, guys. Great time to be in Ethereum.